It'll give it a second.
And it will be, here it is. Oh, this wonderful one. And as you can see, it's got 3 fantastic colors.
Yeah, it's kind of groovy looking, and it's a little thing.
4 fantastic colors.
Do you want to pull it? It's right there. If you want to grab it and show it to them as well.
So it's a tiny little device like this. It's a solar generator, so it creates power for you to use from the sun. And so a generator, called a generator because it generates power for you to use. It generates electricity, as opposed to just a straight charger, which you charge up and then you use that charger to charge your devices. Basically the same kind of thing, except this is going to create its power from the sun. It's got digital touch. Digital touch, I don't know if I've charged this up yet. It's been sitting in the shade in the back of our bedroom, so of course not out in the sun to be charged up. What's really good is you've got 3 USB processors there, a USB-C. Yep, USB-C charger. So 3 USBs, a USB-C. Something's going beep beep.
I think you're turning it on the other side because you're touching it. Turning it on and off, or you touch the top. Maybe you touch the top.
I touched something. It's not the first time I've touched something and there's been a warning sound.
A warning sound.
And these are 2 electrical outlets here, your normal tri-plug ones. Boom, boom, boom. Or maybe I get a different. Oh, you can see it on the picture behind me. Let me go across to a different picture to pop up here. It doesn't have the picture I was looking for. Oh, yeah. But as you can see in the background, there's many different ways you can use it. You can recharge your laptop 8 times. You can recharge your camera 11 times. Your drone 10 plus charges. You've got the LED light around here. There's a nice ambient light for you, bright light, which runs for 231 hours. That's a nice length of time for a light to be on for the need. And as you can see, it is super easy to charge. And the video here, you can see that it shows you a whole lot of information for you on the screen. I really should put this guy out in the sun so I charge him up.
Yeah, we really should.
And you also got, there's a lot of time when you're out camping or a lot of your older devices plug into the electric light socket that's in your car. Well, they have one of these. So your old things that you charged up or ran through your car battery, you can now run through this as well. Protect your car battery and be a lot more mobile with it. So this is it. And there's, what's the deal again, Amy?
It's 48% off.
48% off that charger.
Yeah, we just had Patricia M join us. She goes, that's cool. That would be handy with all the power outages we have. And I said, totally, and congrats, you are number 5. Patricia.
Congratulations, you're number 5 in the wheel of names.
So now we have 5 people, so we can go ahead and add those again in.